Hey guys, welcome back to Kenny Beauty. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more summer mists. This time I'm actually like really excited about these. These are the DKNY Ice Pop, Be Delicious Ice Pops. These I think were featured like, I think they came out like a month or two, and I can't believe the perfumes came out a month or two ago. I'm not sure about the mists. I think they all came out about a month or two. I mean, they're brand new. They were available on Amazon back in like the beginning of May, and I got the body mist, but I was gonna get the perfumes on Amazon, and then you could also get them on their website as well. I think those are the only two places you could have gotten them, but I'm glad I held off and I waited because I actually really wanted the mist more than the perfume. Because like now they're at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Burlington. So I picked up all three at a steeply discounted rate, and I'm so glad I waited to get these. I think the mists themselves are not that much. I think they were $16.99 when I looked at them like a month ago when I was considering purchasing them off of Amazon, and then I'm not sure how much they are on the site. The actual EDP or fragrances are definitely more expensive. I think they're in like the $40 to $60 range, but honestly I prefer mist typically anyways, especially when it comes to like fun like summery fragrances like this. I just feel like they're just easier than having to like lug a really heavy perfume bottle or so forth. So we're gonna go through all three of these. I did get all three scents or flavors that they came out with, and I'm super excited. Like I said, I did get these at for $9.99 at I found one at Burlington, I found one at TJ Maxx, and I found one at Marshalls. Like I got them, or no, maybe two different TJ Maxxes. And I know I've had like a long pause on my TJ Maxx videos. I will be continuing those. It's just been a while. I got a lot to show you guys. But if you're new here, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, tap that bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos, and let's get right into these. So they have a 36-month shelf life, and they are made in Italy. And it's 8.4 fluid ounces, 250 milliliters on these. And I mean, the packaging just had me. They're super cute, super fun. Like I love these for summer. Who doesn't want to smell like an icy, right? Or an ice pop. So the notes on Very Cherry are cherry popsicle, red peonies, and sandalwood. And it says a vibrant floral fruity fragrance inspired by the carefree joy of a juicy cherry popsicle. This playful scent opens with a burst of cherry popsicle blended with juicy lychee and zesty bergamot for a sweet nostalgic scent with an elevated twist. Crisp pear wrapped in delicate peony blossoms and lively red poppies add floral whimsy touch, while creamy sandalwood provides a smooth finish. So lots of notes going on here. We've got pear, we've got cherry popsicle, we've got juicy lychee, zesty bergamot, poppies, red poppies, delicate peony blossoms, and creamy sandalwood. Lots going on here. And I can't wait. I definitely think I'm the most excited for Very Cherry because I haven't really been able to find, well, I take that back. I think at TJ Maxx and Marshalls they've had a few cherry scents, but I also recently got the Eau de Juice from Ulta. That's a cherry one. Ooh, right off the bat, awesome, very finely mist. Okay. Let me try to get it more on the strip itself. Honestly, I don't get... There's definitely, I want to say creaminess. This is for like people who do not... Okay, I get the cherry in the middle. It's definitely not on the top note. I would have to say that the peonies or the poppies is definitely what I get at first, and the bergamot. I wish it was more cherry. I definitely get sandalwood as it's in the midst of drying down. A little disappointed in this. I kind of want this more to be like cherries like in Firecracker Pop from Bath & Body Works, or even the Rocket Pop from Victoria's Secret. This is definitely more leaning towards sandalwood and very faint on the cherry. I need more cherry in this. It's not bad. It's nice. Overall, I don't think this is going to have a very long staying power. It's more of a fainter mist. So if you're somebody that's highly sensitive to fragrances and you're looking for something that's not going to be like super bold and strong, these might be good for you. But I definitely get the floral more and the sandalwood more. And the cherry definitely is faint. I really do want more cherry with this. Especially because it's not called cherry floral. It's not called, like, it's called very cherry. So to me, in my opinion, this should be very cherry. But the fruity is just kind of in the middle and it gets lost with all the other things going on. I do smell the freshness of the pear, I think, but I'm not sure if that's floral or pear. But you definitely get like a crispness too. I think it's nice. I just personally wanted this to be more cherry. But still, like, for $9.99 or even $16.99, I would definitely pay that much for this. Okay, moving on. Next we have Citrus Blast. And again, the packaging on these, it's so, and I love this sort of like wooden vibe going on. I do have to say the bottle itself is kind of like soft. So I would be careful not to leave it out in the heat, because I do feel like, or like sit on it, because I do feel like this could like crack or be broken very easily. So just, you know, just some words of caution. They're definitely not made, like, the packaging itself is cute, but they're not made well. Like, you're getting like, let me just show you. You're getting a very chintzy, like, you can like press it in. Like, it's not a hard plastic. It's a very, very soft, like, very soft plastic. Okay, so this is notes of grapefruit tonic, golden peach sorbet, dewy peony, and sandalwood on the Citrus Splash. And it says a refreshing floral fruity fragrance inspired by a juicy popsicle. This vibrant scent opens with mouth-watering blend of chilled golden peach sorbet and crisp grapefruit tonic. At the heart, beautiful florals of dewy peony. Oh, we got the peony again. Ugh. And airy freesia emerge, while crystal amber and creamy sandalwood deliver a warm sun-kissed finish. Okay, sun-kissed finish. We have sandalwood as well. We'll see. I like the peach. I don't know how I feel about peach with grapefruit. That's an unusual combination. Oh. I like it. Actually, the peach and the grapefruit, it makes it like a sugared grapefruit kind of a smell. I definitely get that sandalwood. I don't get as much floral though in this one. So that's nice. It almost gives me a little bit of like pineapple too. Or like maybe yuzu or something. Maybe a little mango. It's definitely like, it definitely smells like a sweet citrus. I like this. I think it's like a sweet citrus, but it's also refreshing at the same time. And I wouldn't say it smells like peach sorbet though. I'm a peach fragrance lover, so I'm a little bit disappointed by that, but it's definitely like a sweet grapefruit, like I said, mixed with like yuzu, maybe a little pineapple, maybe a little mango I'm getting, but I'm not getting the peach. Definitely doesn't smell like peach. But maybe the peach and the grapefruit combined is what's giving me like the yuzu or sort of like mango-ish smell. It's like if you have like, I'm trying to think, like a pineapple, sort of a, like a, what is that drink called? Something sunrise, tequila sunrise. That's what it smells like. It smells like a tequila sunrise. It's good. It's really good. I guess I'm getting a little bit of the peach now. I think the grapefruit takes away from the peach though, so you're not really sure if it's peach or not, but the peach definitely adds the sweetness to it. And I think the amber also gives you like that sweetness towards the end note. It's really good. It's like refreshing, but sweet and citrusy at the same time. I like this one better than I like Very Cherry. I will say that. It's got more sophistication to it and less floral. Yeah, no, this is nice. I feel like this one is got a better staying power too. It's a little bit bolder in fragrance, whereas the Very Cherry is definitely like a little bit more faint and more floral. I like the chilled citrus, or I mean citrus splash. Did I say, is it chilled citrus or citrus splash? It's citrus splash. Okay, moving on now. We have Berry Bliss right here, folks. And this one is notes of crushed mint leaves. I love a good minty fragrance. Crushed mint leaves, raspberry, and cotton candy. Ooh, this sounds amazing. It says a floral, fruity, edible fragrance inspired by the sweetness of a raspberry ice cream cone. This refreshing scent opens with cool mint leaves and sweet mango, creating a crisp, mouth-watering sensation. A burst of raspberry and hints of cotton candy spun sugar add essential sweetness, while vibrant notes of strawberry freesia. We have the freesia again, and water lily, and we have florals at the heart. Brighten your senses. Okay, but no sandalwood in this one. So let's see what this is all about. So raspberry ice cream cone, cool mint leaves, sweet mango, burst of raspberry, hints of cotton candy, spun sugar. I feel like this might be, is from the notes, might end up being my favorite one. Again, okay, I'm not getting any berry from this. What in the heck? I'm not getting any sweet mango. I'm getting like 0 crushed mint leaves. Definitely no cotton candy. Did I say that? No raspberry. You know what this kind of smells like? It smells like banana a little bit. Yeah, like maybe a little bit of raspberry, like a banana smoothie. Like a yogurt banana smoothie. That's what I'm getting from this. The notes are completely, like the description notes have this all wrong. I would have marketed this as like a berry banana sort of a vibe. Yeah. I don't get any mango. I'm not getting any burst of raspberry. Definitely no cotton candy. Maybe like a little bit of spun sugar. I do get the water lily and the strawberry freesia. I definitely don't get an ice cream cone out of this at all. It's not like sweet like that. I don't know, man. Disappointed with this one too. It's nice, but it's not what you think. Okay, so these are all nice in their own regards, but they're not like what you would think like an ice pop would be, which was like a really fruity, summery, like I said, like when I saw these, I thought they were going to be like kind of like firecracker pop, you know, blue raspberry burst, rocket pop. I'm trying to think of like a fruity, like designer, like fun, like maybe a Scada-ish. And I'm not really getting any of that from these. This definitely yields banana in my opinion. I will like keep all of these. I think they all are like, except for Berry Cherry. I mean, I'll still keep it, but I think that these two are definitely better than Berry Cherry as far as like boldness and lasting power. But they don't, I feel like Citrus Splash is the most true to the notes that DKNY describes them as. But I feel like the notes, the description of the notes on these are like completely off. And I don't think that they're bad. I just think that the notes like are not what these smell like. So if you're going off of getting these by the notes, you're probably going to be disappointed. However, if you're just looking for like a beautiful summer sort of floral, kind of like a fruity at the same time fragrance, then I think you'll really like these. So I don't think that they're bad. I just don't think that they smell like ice pops. The fruitiness or the ice poppiness is very like faint or almost not there. But they do smell good. Like this one is definitely the most fruity smelling. Like this one is giving me banana vibes. And then this one is definitely more like floral kind of leaning. You barely get any cherry. But again, they're all like really nice in their own aspects. Like I think that you would like these, but I just don't feel like they're that strong like ice pop fruity smell. All right, you guys, I have blabbed on long enough. Thank you so much for watching. Those are my final thoughts. And if you guys have seen these or picked them up, tell me what your thoughts are, because I love to hear other people's perspectives, what you think they smell like, or if you were thinking about, I mean, honestly, they are a really good deal. You do get a ton of product for this price. Even at the $16.99 point, I feel like you can't go wrong. I would love, now I'm even more curious. I feel like the perfumes are probably stronger, but I wonder if they would be stronger in like a floral way, because if that's the case, I wouldn't want the perfumes. But if they're stronger in a flory or a fruity way, then I would be really interested in them. So if anybody has the perfumes, I need you to let me know, like spill the tea down below. What fragrances do you guys want to see reviewed next? What are you maybe excited about or anticipating, or what have you gotten your hands on lately that you are absolutely loving or absolutely hating? Spill it down below, or just if you like my eyeshadow today or don't, spill it down below. I love to hear from you, good or bad. Anyways, thank you guys always so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.